Hey, alright guys, here's the peach tree that I pruned a couple weeks ago. See how I shape it? I keep it at the same height on top, chop the top off, keep it nice and straight. And I like the bowl type pruning, so the inside of the tree doesn't have any leaves, which keeps the sun, gives you good sunlight to all around. But you can see it's loaded with peach blossoms right now. It's looking pretty good. I think she's gonna survive here. Over here you can see these trees here. These have a couple more peaches here. I did not get a chance to prune these because I've been dealing with some foot problems. I just can't climb a ladder just yet. You see this one here, it's got has pink and white blossoms on it, but so the right side and the back is actually a plum that I grafted onto this peach years ago. So the right side of the tree is plums, and the left side of the tree, which is this tree right here, that tree right there. So the right side here is all plum blossoms, and to the left here you can see is all the peach blossoms. So it's basically, I basically divided the tree in half so we can get plums and peaches from the same tree. And that other one in the back, that little small one in the back there, I don't really do too much with that. I usually just let it do its own thing. It's full of peach blossoms as well. Yeah. So you can graft a plum onto a peach. I have a few other grafted peaches and plums I'll show you. As we get further in the season, I'll show you all the plums and peaches all on the same tree. Okay guys, so here's the lawn 2 weeks after I hit it with the blower. Basically the same thing as raking it. I haven't done anything to this lawn. This lawn hasn't got any fertilizer. I haven't even cut it yet. Once you stop mowing it, then it really starts to grow. But I'm not pushing it right now because I'm not in a hurry to get it to go. I want it to take its time. So yeah, this hasn't got anything except a couple of rainstorms that we had, maybe 2 rainstorms. And this has just turned green basically because not only because of the time of the year, but also because I raked it. I didn't rake it, I used a blower, but same thing, same effect. So when you rake the lawn or blow it like I did, you basically wake it up. It starts to grow. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and like. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.